that for you?
I don't think so.
Yeah, I don't think so too. Happy birthday!
Dapat tayo magamit. Dapat dami tayo magamit. Pag hindi tayo dami tayo gamit, hindi ma-swimming tayo. Dapat
Checking ka ngayon muna. Para naman din.
Go. Wow! It's for Lucas.
happy holiday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Lucas. Happy birthday to you.
One more, faster!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lucas. Happy birthday.
Oh, baby.
Lucas.
Call him name. They never had poor Rudolph joining any reindeer game. Oh, very good. All right, so we don't have any pictures of well Jinx. So take your pointer finger, reach out to Samson's book and draw up. And down, back, and forth, and round, and round. Up, down, back, and forth, and round, and round. Faster, up and down and back and forth and round and round. Faster, up and down and back and forth and round and round, up and down and back and forth. Oh my. You did a great job because you know why? Look, you guys, you did it. I knew you could do the magic. I knew it. Do a dance party. Here we go. Ready? Ready? 30 because that's not a good thing to do. No, I've got his house here. Let me put him in his house.
Baby, Lucas, did he move?
Jinx,
He
you
moved?
need a man. If you know he's working and you need time, get in there. Jinx, do me a favor. Don't turn the lights off fast. Don't come out and turn the lights off. All right? There. Oh. So now you're gonna go slow. You know what, Jinx? We like the lights. They're beautiful, and if you gotta be careful.
What?
Nagalaman ko candy.
Yeah, kukunin ni Daddy.
Jingle, jingle, let it snow. Jingle, jingle, let it snow. Jingle, jingle, let it snow. Jingle, jingle, let it snow.
Oh, what's that?
Sydney.
Hey, you are good. Let's try ice skating. Wait, oh! I just hit him. We're gonna put our hands behind our backs. And we're gonna go one to the other to ice skate. You guys are like professional ice skaters. Okay.
Sydney na kasi mama.
Okay. So then what we're gonna do, we're gonna put our fists in the air. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, then we're gonna twirl. And let's do that one more time. 1, 2, 3, and twirl. Okay, I think you all got it. Don't forget those moves. But there's one more person that I think she's pretty well known amongst astrologers. She's gonna do this way better than me. Her name is the North Wind, but we need to summon her. So can everybody howl as loud as possible to summon her?
Paus na siya.
3, 2, 1, go!
Walang paul na lang.
North Wind, they're here. They're defeating you. Three things.
Now, citizens of Snowman, begin the chant.
Ready? Jingle, jingle, let it snow. Jingle, jingle, let it snow. Jingle, jingle, let it snow. Jingle, jingle, let it snow.